Bring in Oliver Sloup again. August fats are up 212 at 103.42. October up 220. And yes, even December's trading at 210 higher. So Oliver, we call this a breakout to the upside?
This is certainly a breakout, and I think a lot of it started with yesterday's big move higher. It really took us back to those highs that we saw back in May, both the middle of May and the end of May. We were really looking for the market to kind of peter out up here with regards to the fundamentals. I didn't really see a whole lot that was going to give us that technical breakout, but nonetheless, we got it, and we're surging higher. And I think that has encouraged some momentum traders to jump on board. The next line in the sand for the August live cattle comes in about 104.40 to 105. That was the lows back at the end of February and the breakdown point at the beginning of March when really that COVID stuff really started accelerating the selling to the downside. So we're retracing those breakdown points, and the same can be said on the August feeder cattle contract as well. This breakout move above those May highs near 138, 139 is accelerating the market to those breakdown points back in February and March for those August feeder cattle. Line in the sand, 145. Once we get up there, I wouldn't be surprised to see the market stall out a little bit as the RSI continues to creep up. It might be maybe a little bit overdone here in the very near term at least.
August and September, August now up 380, September up 372 on those feeder cattle market. What about the hog market? We're up 282 on the August. Got as high, though, earlier today as 53.77. Are we starting to maybe change the psychology and just the momentum here in this hog complex?
Well, it certainly looks like we're starting to carve out a little bit of a low, and it seems like we've been kind of making that step forward over the past couple of sessions. But if we can get a strong close today, which looks like we're going to do, I think that would give us a little bit more of a confirmation. The line in the sand that we're looking at was about that 51.60 area. If we can achieve consecutive closes out above here, I think that encourages new buyers to step into the market, and we can start to build a longer-term maybe work a little bit higher up towards that 60 level. But one day at a time here in the lean hog market, we know that one day doesn't make a trend.
Good point. All right, Oliver, we'll have you back tonight on the Rural Evening News.